Now, we can make our hair fuller in a simple and safe way, a way that enables you to use all of your own hair. Fuller hair that enables you to brush directly down to your scalp. Fuller hair that you shampoo, sleep, swim, and do everything with. Check this out.
The solution now is the microstrand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these microstrands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy.
This is something you or any hairdresser can apply for you, and it lasts 3 to 4 years.